So the next one is the GMD SS equipment. So firstly, you need to check for printers and papers. Then on the MFHF, you need to perform the self-test for that. You press on the menu, then you select the maintenance, then you select one, then transceiver. You just press enter, then you wait for the moment. Well, then on the image chassis, you have to check the nav area to make sure that you are in the right area. So you press on the EGC, then you select the nav area. So you can see that currently our vessel in the South China Sea. That's why I selected area 11. So after that, you can check and test for VHF. So on the VHF, you have to make sure that the power is on. Then you adjust the volume. After that, you perform the self-test for that. You press on menu, then you move to the maintenance, then you press enter. Now you select the self-diagnosis. Press enter, then you select transceiver, then you select all. Now you need to wait for the moment to finish that. Oh, good. Then you have to ensure that you are set in the correct channel. After that, you can move to another one. So on another one, you just do the same thing. Adjust the volume. Then you perform the self-test for that. Then you check for the channel. After finish with this one, you can move to the nav text. Okay? So on the nav text, you need to perform the self-test and set up the nav station for that. So I will show you one by one. To test that, you press on the menu, then you move the arrow to maintenance, then you press on self-diagnosis. Press enter, then you press enter. You move the arrow to start, then press enter. After that, you have to wait for the moment. You press on the clear key. After that, you have to set up a nav station. To do that, you press on the menu. Then you select the receive station. You select the manual mode. Then you move the arrow to manual mode setting. Now you have to change the nav station. So with the nav station, you can see my other video how to select that. So our next voyage from Vietnam to Singapore, then from Singapore to Jakarta. That's why we select the X for Vietnam, C for Singapore, and E for Indonesia. Okay. If you want to select that, just press enter, like that. Then you press on the star. then you press enter. Okay, so let's move to the next one. So the next equipment is the echo sounder. On the echo sounder, you need to change the departure draft, alarm, and printer condition. So now I will change the departure draft. You press on the menu, then select display. Now you need to change the forward draft and updraft. Our updraft is 9.8 meters. You move the arrow up and down to change the value. 9.8, then enter. Our forward draft is 9.4 meters. Enter. Then you press on the menu. Then you change for the alarm. You select the depth alarm. So this one you also follow the company SMS as well. So in a company, our depth alarm is 1 meter when our vessel in narrow channel. You press enter to change the drop alarm 1 meter. After that, you press menu. Then you need to change the printer condition. With the printer condition, you need to select the logbook print. Enter. Now you can select the minutes. So normally I will put 5 minutes or 2 minutes, depend on the channel, short or long. I put 5 minutes. Okay. Well, the next one is the navigation light. On the navigation light, you need to check and test for that. Switch on the power. Then you press on the alarm buzzer test. Then you change that to number 2. Then you press on the alarm buzzer test again. And in case if you see any alarm here, you need to report to the engineer officer so that they can check and change for that. Okay. So when the vessel departure at night, you need to prepare and check for daylight signal. For the pilot, you can check that. After that, you need to check and supply power for the air horn. On the air horn, you need to switch on the power. Then you call the engineer officer to supply the whistle. Okay. After that, you need to switch on the power for public address as well. In case pilot on board, you can announce to the all crew for standby. And you also have to make sure that all of the bridge windows and outside the wing are completely cleaned before departure. Okay, so let's move to the next one. So when the engineer officer he confirmed that he's ready to test the main engine, so you have to make sure that the ship gangway is clear from the port terminal. Then all of the mooring lines are in good tension. Then you also make sure that there's no obstruction in the forward and astern. After that, you can proceed to test that. So firstly, you need to test for the alarm. You just press on that. After that, you can test for the tail wrap. You just move this one from stop until full ahead, then from full ahead to full astern, then back to stop. Okay. Just one by one like that. So some other ship, they have a different design for telewrap. You just follow that, okay? So after finish testing for that, you need to inform to the engineer officer that you also ready to test the main engine. And now you just follow the engineer officer to kick the telewrap. And you have to control that by checking and monitoring the RPM indicator. As you can see that, right? Normally we will test the main engine, dash slower head, then stop, then dash slower stern, then stop, then dash slower head again, and then stop. So after finish testing for the main engine, you have to press on the standby button, then you call the engineer officer to confirm the timing of that. And after finish for all of that, you have to inform the captain that everything is ready for departure, and then you have to record everything into the bell book. Okay everyone, that's all for me today. So thank you very much for watching. So I hope this video is helpful for you, and if you want to see more video, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.